So guys, welcome to my channel. And first you have to come on gigabyte.com, and this is search key. So click to search and type your motherboard model number Z790 AORUS XTREME X ICE, then hit enter. Then click on product. Click off model number of motherboard. Then click to support. You can see there the all the driver and BIOS, all the drivers there. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you are different using, so no worry, you can follow this video and you can install it. Okay, select like that Windows 11. Chipset. So first one, same, click to open and just double click to exe and then yes. Then okay, and then close it. Then Intel serial driver, just click to download and just double click and then yes. Then close it.